Anthropic has launched a visual workflow editor for Claude Code, letting users build powerful AI automation tools simply by dragging and connecting nodes. This removes the need for complex command-line coding and is already going viral among developers. The U.S. government has formed a new AI Litigation Task Force aimed at challenging state-level AI regulations that could limit national competitiveness, including strict laws introduced by states like California. Several landmark AI safety laws are now live across the U.S. California now requires safety protections for companion chatbots, while Colorado mandates developers take reasonable care to prevent algorithmic discrimination. New York has begun enforcing the RAISE Act, requiring large AI developers to report serious AI-related incidents within 72 hours, marking a major step toward accountability in AI deployment. Microsoft has declared the start of the Ambient AI era, where AI evolves from a simple tool into a long-term partner, featuring persistent memory, self-verification, and agent-like decision-making abilities. Samsung has previewed its next generation of AI-powered devices, including smart appliances and a portable AI projector that automatically adjusts visuals based on the surrounding environment. Meta's smart glasses received a major AI update that can isolate and amplify specific voices in noisy environments, pushing wearable tech closer to truly ambient, always-on AI experiences. A senior Google engineer has praised Claude Code for completing what normally takes a specialized engineering team a full year in just 1 hour, highlighting the accelerating power of AI-driven development. Leading chip makers have teased next-generation processors built for AI workloads, with Intel confirming its first 2-nanometer chips, promising massive gains in performance and efficiency.